Hello everyone and welcome back. So this is the React Native weather app series. In the last video we have added the React Native map and then we add the marker also. So today video we are going to add the search screen and the last one screen also. So today we are going to design the other remaining screen. So let's start with the practical. So first we are going to add the search screen also like this, and we are going to add the Google search API also, but not in this video, in the next video. And after that we are going to add the settings screen. So first we are going to design the search screen. This is my search screen, let's see. And first we are going to search the search screen. This is my search screen, you can see, and we do not have anything in this. So first we are going to create the search, and for that I'm going to take a one view, and we are going to design the view also like this style, and we should add the flex direction first and like this. And after that we need to add one other view. Inside the view we need to add the text input from React Native, and we are going to add one pressable also from React Native and add the text. That text should be a cancel text. Let's see in the search screen. Let's me find the search. So we have a text also, and let me design the text input style, and we are going to take a flex 0.8, and we are going to add the background color also. So the background color, we have a card background color, and like this we have, you can see, yeah, the color is same. And we need to add the height and width, and just type the moderate scale and 54 or 52. Like 54 is enough, 54. And also border radius, we need to add the border radius like a moderate scale 16 or 12, and let me 52 or 50. So we just divide it to the flex. So let me divide it to the width. Like we need to add the width, like I need to add the width 80%. Let's see the 80%, how much type we will, yeah, the 80% will be perfect, or 84%. After this I'm going to style the text also. Let me see, it's text, and we have a color, and just apply the colors dot white. And we need to add so add which is color, then font size, and just scale 16. And we need on, let me, like font family dot medium. So the all items should be in the center. So for that I'm going to the main view. This is my main view, you can see, align item, just type align item center, so you can see. And we need to add space between also. So for that just come here, justify content, and just add space between, and just come here to the 84. We need to make it the 80. Looks fine, but let's see the UI. But the height of the UI is a little bit small, so, and we have a lot of space in here. I'm going to back to the code and just come here, and we need to add the 75%, and we do not need to height in like 50. We just add the 44, and also we need a margin top. Let me add the margin top moderate scale, just add the 20. Yeah, it's and let's add the 76. This Let me format the code and just come to the text input, and we are going to style and just add the flex 1. We are going to cover the whole screen. Let me show you the background and red. So if you do not pass the flex 1, let's see the difference now. Save it, and we have this. You can see our text input take a half portion of the view, so we need to take a full view. So for that you need to add the flex 1. So you can type here, and like that I need to add the padding. Just add the padding horizontally. Moderate scale, just add the 12. Yes, and also we need to add the color. And just add the colors that white. So let's type. You can see we can type, but let me add the font size family dot medium, and also font size scale 14. Yeah, it's look fine. Like this we can add the search, and we can also clear the search also with the cancel button. So let me show you that thing also. So now we are going to take a one state and just type the search item, and set search item is equal to use state. We are going to use state from the React code. We just import the use state from the React, you can see. And let's come to the, let's just copy, and we add the on chain text. We have a like this, just passed, and we need to pass this, print this search. Just come here. So let's see for the search item. So like this, let me add the style, color, just add the white. Now we are going just only for the, now I'm going just only for the showing purpose. So for that reason I am going to also in the text input we need to add the value. We have a value also, and the value, just you should define the search item like this. If I type, let's type the something. So now you can see we have a, this is our text also. You can see we just print the item also, but we do not need this text also. Let me cancel it, and we want to we want to empty the state also. Let me show you that also. So for that, just come here to the pressable, on press, and we need to add the set search item like this. If I click on the cancel, so it will be become empty like this. So now you can see, just type again like this. So we just make a search screen also when you are clicking the cancel button. So we need to go back also for the this screen, you can see. So this screen, the my city screen. So let me fix that also, and we need to import the navigation also. For that, just come here and we cons just navigation, and use navigation from React Native navigation, and save it, and just copy the navigation, and just come here and just combine it like this. and just let me add the navigation dot go back. So let's like this and just click on the cancel, so we are going to direct to go back also like this, you can see. So now I'm going to the settings screen, so we are going to design the settings screen. So this is my settings screen, so let's find the setting screen and let's see the styling of the settings screen. Let's see. So this is our setting screen styling. So first we have a text of the setting, so let me add a one view and just we do not need any view. So first I'm going to add the text like this and just add the settings like this and just add the styling. We are going to add the header style like this. First I'm going to add the font family. We need to add the bold and then font size scale 22 and font color, and we need to add the color dot white and just copy the header style and come to the text. So sometime I'm using the inline styling and sometime I'm using the style sheet styling. So there is no any difference between the styling, but it's a good practice to use the style sheets. After that we need to add the like this settings and we need to add the more like this or 44 24 and we need to add the semi bold in this. Yeah, and after we just add the one. So now I'm going to design these cards also, the unit cards. So let's see the unit card, and first I'm going to take a one view more and just take a one text and just define the units like this and just add the styling. Let's copy the header style and come here, paste it and just style the change the name unit and just like come to the your unit text and we have a unit style, let me 18 and we need a spacing also. So let me add the spacing from the top, margin top, so let's add the moderate scale 20 or 12. Let's add the 20 and the text is not the opacity also white 50% or 70% we need. So we need to add a 77% like this. So this is my color, you can see. Yeah, yes. So we do not need any e also, units like this. After this we need to create this card also. So these are the card, so let's add the card. So the first card we are going to create this card. So first we are going to design this card, and this card we have the first one is a temperature and then we wind speed, pressure and precipitation and distance. So first we are going to create the temperature one. So we are going to take a one view and just add the style. Let's come unit card style, just add the background color dot like this and we need to add the padding padding top, padding vertical, just add the 16 and copy your unit card. Just come to your view and save it, and need a border radius also. I need a border radius, moderate scale, add just 16. 16 is like we do not need any 16, like we just add the 12, yeah, or 10, like this. And also we need the padding vertically, padding horizontally, padding horizontal, just add a 12. And let me padding vertical, we need a 20. Just add the margin top, and after that we need to add the margin top, we need to add the space from the unit to the card, moderate scale, and 16. And also we need to wrap all the thing in the scroll view. So this is my view, just add the, this is my main view, and just come here and need the scroll view from the React Native scroll. This is my scroll view, copy and paste it like this. So now it's scrollable, you can see, but we do not need the bounce. Let me off the bounce, false. So now it's not bouncing. And after that we need to just come to your card, and first we have a temperature, and we have a Celsius and Fahrenheit, and just copy the text of the units and paste it. And we have a temperature, just type a temperature. So just go to the styling and copy the style, come here, paste it, cart title, and just copy, paste it, and 14. Yeah, and also the color we need to white, the color we need like a white opacity 50, like this. Yeah, so now it's looking, and let me 12. So now it's looking fine. So after that we need to add these two buttons, Celsius and Fahrenheit. For this I'm going to create a one const. So for this I'm going to create a one array const, and just type a temperature data, temperature item, and just id 1, and then label, and we have Celsius, cell, and then we are going to add the Fahrenheit also. Let's copy this and paste it, and id2, type the Fahrenheit. So this is my Fahrenheit, and just copy the item and just come here, and we are going to render these two items with the temperature dot map, like this, and we are going to return and just add the view like this, and just type the item, and we are going to render the text also, like this text, and just type the item dot label. So now we can see we seen the Fahrenheit and Celsius. So we need to wrap the full map in the view. Just cut it and type view and paste it. Just type the style and again flex direction. We need to add the flex direction row. So and also we need to add the justify content space between, like this. So the view we have the view we have in the return, we need to change this also. So let me format the code, and this let me change this touchable opacity, from React Native. Just copy and paste it. So let's see the styling first, and we are going to design like this. So for that, so first I'm going to the view, the main view design. Just come here, just add the background color dot black colors, and just so the background app color like this, and just type the height, moderate scale 52 is too much, 44, yeah 44, and also add the align item center, and we need the padding horizontally also, like 4, yes 4 or 6, like this. See, and we are going to add the, after that we need to add the styling to the button style, and just add the background color dot, and we need to copy. So we need to, so this color is a little bit whiter than the card color. So let's see first the red color, red B. You can see this is our red color. So let me come here and just style and font. We have a font family first dot medium, and we need to add the size, font size, like this, and just add the 14, yeah 14, and also we need to add the color dot white, and just come here to the, now I'm going to the button color. This is my button color, you can see, and just add the, we need to add the height, moderate scale, and we have 44. So let me add the 42, the height, and let me add the width also. Width should be a 50%. So 50% is 40. Let's see the UI first. Yeah, 50% is fine. Yeah, 50% is fine, or 40% or 45%. We are going to add the 45%, and also we need the align item center, and also align item center and justify content center, like this. And we need to add the border radius, and just add the moderate scale 16. Let's see the UI. So we are going to make a height 43. The 42 is enough. We do not need that much border radius, we just need the 8 per, yeah 8 is enough. and also we need 40 or 38, 36 or 34. Yeah, 34 is enough, and the border radius is 6, like this, or 4. Yeah, 6 is the border radius, you can see. And let me add this height a little bit more, like 50. Yeah, 50 is 50% is enough. 50% is a fix one. And let me change the red color to the again the card. So we have a unit card color like this. So this color is not similar to have. Let me copy the color we have. So this color will be a fine color. Let's copy. We need a little bit. Let me paste it. Color is fine. Now you can see we need to add the condition, and also we do not need the padding horizontally that much. Just add the 4 or 2. If 4 is enough, 4. Now I'm going to apply the condition on this. So for that I'm going to create the one const, and this const temperature set item. We need to temperature set temperature save item, and just copy this and just type the set use state, save it. By default should be a null, by default should be a 1. Yes, just come here, and this is my button, you can see, and just on press, and just an item dot id, just pass the item dot id like this, and then now just copy the temperature save item, copy the temperature save item. So now we are going to add the condition, we have a temperature save item. If the temperature save item is equal to item dot id, item dot id, and we are going to color this background color, and we are going to color dot. So we are going to add the color like a background app color, background app color like this. So you can see. So now we are going to remove this inline styling, and first we have the view style. Just cut, come here to the view, main view, save it, copy, and just like this. And after that I'm going to remove the button style. Just copy and cut it, and just say btn style, and paste it, copy the btn style and just add the triple dot style dot btn style, you can see. And we are going to copy the text also, just copy the text style and text style like this, copy. Also we need a margin from the top, just come here and just add margin top, moderate scale 12, and we just create this UI, you can see. So like this we can create the rest of the UI, because the UI of the settings screen are similar. So in the next video we are going to add the logical things like API calling, async storage, redux. These things we are going to add. Also we are going to call the API, searching APIs. So all the things we are going to cover in this series. So see you in next video. For now, bye bye.